वेलकम टू वेज क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानतात तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली, सावध आनी भलायकीन. So today I'm going to show you all raw papaya salad. This is home grown raw papaya. So this is grated like this. So my husband helped me to grate this. It's a big task. Yes. So then I need like this 2 tomatoes chopped this way. And then we are going to use our all homegrown, home harvest some few greens. So in that celery is there, spinach is there, kale is there, and basil leaf is there. Okay, so all this we will add into our papaya salad. Lunch time now, so we are going to make this. So this is kale, this is our Thai basils, then we have some celery, then some parsley, celery, parsley, basil, Thai basils, then kale, then I'm adding some salad leaves. Okay, some salad leaves and some spinach, baby spinach. So all I will chop this nicely now to go in a papaya salad, raw papaya salad. Then for dressing oil, I have soaked a small piece of jaggery into olive oil. Then like when we buy pizza and all, we get, I have in bottles also, but I have this with me. So I'm going to use 3 oregano seasoning, 2 of this chili flakes, some green chilies also I will be adding, and this also tomato ketchup in the oil. So show you. So it will be tangy, and olive oil I have used around 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. So here goes tomato, then oregano, and our green chilies in this. Salt will add in this. Some crushed pepper, powder. So this is our dressing. Okay, this is all our dressing. Now we will chop our veggies. Chop this, chop, 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 chop. And we'll add this all into our salad now. Add into this. And mix this nicely. So all the flavors will go in a, see how it looks, so nice. Now we will add our salad dressing. Add this now into this. So So our salad becomes yummy, delicious, tangy. Don't waste any flavors over here. Even with the bowl, and mix this in your hands or fork and just enjoy. Try this quick, easy papaya and greens. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां हें असलें सॅलड आमचें रॉ पपायाचें आनी आमचें गोडशी भाजी जी सगळ्यान एड केला तुमकां आवडटलें आनी तुमी करून खातलीं. थँक यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. Yummy and delicious. Thank you so much.
Here it is, ready to eat. Lovely raw papaya and green salad. Everything homegrown. Thank you. Enjoy.